I screwed up with this carb. As you can see, where the idle adjuster screw is, it broke off. So this is cast iron, this thing. And basically, this entire body is now useless. I can take some of these pieces off, but yeah, it is a shame. So in this small video, I'm just, because this is basically scrap.
Where the scrap is it?
We'll have a go and see if a product like this JB Weld, how do you put that like that? So JB Weld, something that's very common in America, but we don't use that much over here in Europe. At least I haven't heard of it locally.
I hate that guy. Look how European he is.
But I got it. So I never kind of know if this is like a total fraud, this stuff, or it actually works. And does it work on this? Will that be strong enough to get that screw in and out? So I guess we're going to find out. So I'm just going to get these two things mixed. It's said to do equal parts, and I don't need much at all. So I'm just going to break the seal. And this is the hardener, as you can see. And this is the steel resin. Oh, it's already oozing out, let's see. Is that through? Yeah. Oh, they're clearly definable. So now I need to mix this somehow. So white and black makes gray. That makes sense. Alright, so there's the stuff. Don't know how sticky this is.
Alright. So these are the two pieces. I should have fired once, but...
There's plenty of room here to build this up, and maybe later I can sand it down a bit. I don't know. It's an absolute long shot, but it might work. You never know. All right, well, that's it. This set time is 4 to 6 hours, cure time 15 to 24. So, yeah, let's come back tomorrow in 24 hours and see if this is strong enough to take out that screw. I have loosened it, but it's still, it's a bit stiff in there. Oh yeah. Work.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we are, I think, about 3 days after I did the JB Weld repair on this car body, and it is completely set now, and it looks pretty good actually. So it's really hard.
That's what she said.
And I've already tested it with the idle mixture screw, if I can get it in and out. And there was even a bit of, I'd say, that strain on it, like right now. But as you can see, that's perfect. So that actually did a really good job. Now this is good and strong. also tested if I can get the float bowl back on, if it's in the way, if that stuff's in the way. But as you can see, the float bowl will fit perfectly. So I think that this is a good fix, at least for this piece of the carb. The only thing I'm going to do right now is kind of see if I can clean it up a bit, because it's a bit nasty here and there with blobs. But all in all, I think that this is a good way of fixing your carb. So let's clean it out, have a look at the final result, and call it a day. That works really good, and I'm pretty happy to put that back on the bike. So I'll have a test, I think, at some point, and see if it holds out with all the vibrations and shaking and petrol and stuff. But I've got good hope that it should work, because otherwise this thing is toast and you can throw it away, which would be a shame. So I think the JB Weld can actually do this. So yeah, I think it's a good way to go forward. It was like 15 euros for these, can't really remember. But yeah, if you're in a pinch and a tight spot, or you may not be able to get a new part for some reason, maybe this is for you. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope it helps you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Cheers.